Welcome to another video. All right, let's observe this question. Okay, we are to find the equation, okay, of the tangent to the curve at the point 1 on 2. Now, equation of tangent to a curve is simply y minus y1 equals to the gradient function, or the gradient dy dx. Then we have x minus x1. So our motive, or the first thing to do here, is to find our gradient, that is dy dx. So my y is e to the power x on 1 plus x squared. So let's find dy dx here. So this one is a quotient. Then let's apply quotient rule. Now when we have g of x on f of x, okay, so this one will be f of x squared, and we have f of x times the derivative of the top one, okay, minus, so this time you keep the top one and differentiate the down one, f prime of x. So this one is quotient rule. Okay, so following this, we have y equals to e raised x on 1 plus x squared. Okay, so let's differentiate this one. So that will be dy over dx. So I will square the denominator, 1 plus x squared, or squared, and I'll keep it here. Then take the derivative of the top one, minus. So this time I'll keep top one, then differentiate the down one. Okay, so that is how it should be. So dy dx. Okay, so we have 1 plus x squared. Remember, derivative of this, so derivative of e to the power x is the same thing. It means e dx of e to the power box is the same as e to the power box. So we have 1 plus x squared times e to the power x. We have minus e to the power x. So derivative of this one will be 2x. So as the denominator remains the same, 1 plus x squared all squared. So let's elaborate this one. Okay, so we have dy dx. Okay, so this one times 1 will be e to the power x. So we have e to the power x plus times x squared will be x squared e to the power x. Okay, now let's look at this one. That will be minus 2x e to the power x, minus 2x e to the power x on 1 plus x squared all squared. Okay, so let's see if we can deal with the numerator. It seems we have e to the power x in common. So We have e to the power x, have 1 plus x squared minus 2x on 1 plus x squared all squared. All right, so what is in the bracket here is the same as 1 minus x squared. Now, if I expand this, let's check. That will be 1 minus 2x plus x squared. So x squared 1, the minus 2x. So this one is the same as this. So in place of the numerator, okay, I will say e to the power x times 1 minus x all squared on 1 plus x squared all squared. So this side will be the y, the x. Okay. All right, so that's that. Now let's look at the given point. So we have to find divide x here at the point. So the point is in the question at the point 1 on then 1, then we have e on 2. So let me repeat this one. Okay, so at the point 1, then e on 2. Okay, so that's the point. So from here my gradient will be, so we have x and we have y. So we have only x, so that will be e to the power 1, okay, 1 minus 1 plus 1 squared 1 all squared. So that will be e, so 0 squared, okay, so e to the power 1 will be on 4. So the numerator will be 0, so 0 over 4 will be 0. It means divide x is 0. Now following the formula, y minus y1 equals to the y over the x times x minus x1. Okay, so once the gradient is 0, it will affect this side. So that will be y minus y1 equals to 0. It's not important to do subtraction here. So the only thing left is to plug in the y1. So we have x1, y1. That will be e on 2. So we have y minus e on 2 equals 0. So we have y equals to e on 2.